Hi guys, welcome to Liew. Today I will be unboxing this exotic TAP Portugal Airbus A330-300 model in the Portugal Stopover livery. The model manufacturer is Gemini Jets. Before we unbox, let's just take a look at the details of the box. At the top left corner, there's the Gemini Jets logo with the slogan "Made for collectors by collectors." The paint scheme of the aircraft model. Look inside. The TAP Portugal logo with the Airbus A330 logo. 1:400 scale die-cast model aircraft. Let's open the top cover now. Here's some information of this aircraft. Pause to read it. Top part of the model without being unboxed. Let's take a look at the side now. The Gemini Jets logo with the paint scheme of the aircraft model, Airbus A330-300 model, 1:400 scale die-cast model, item number GJTAP1697. At the other side, there is the Gemini Jets logo, 1:400 scale die-cast model, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, as real as it gets, trademark features. Same as the opposite side. Gemini Jets logo and the left, adult collectible model. Warning: contains small parts not suitable for children under 14 years of age. And the barcode at the right side. Here's the back of the box. The paint scheme of the aircraft model. As real as it gets, trademark. Pause to read. Copyright 2017 Gemini Jets, Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Made in China. Let's unbox the model now. The look of the model. Let's take out the plastic box. The plastic cover of the model. Let's take out the model now. Here's the word Portugal Stopover. Discover Portugal on the go. It's hard to focus with this camera. There are 3 stars in the front with the ocean and the sun. There are special designs that are related to Portugal. The Rolls Royce Trent 700 engine. The winglets of the A330, the tail registration CS-TOW, and the tail with the TAP Portugal logo. At the other side, the tail does have the TAP Portugal logo with grapes at the tail, and the tail registration with some string instruments. Here's some of the bottom design and Portugal Stopover logo with some birds. Let's look at the top of the aircraft now. The antennas are sharp. Now at the bottom of the aircraft. The landing gears are rollable. And the Gemini Jets logo at the belly of the aircraft with the tail registration CSTOW, and the fairing of the aircraft wing at the flaps, 4 fairings on each side of the wing. And this is the engine. Let's take a look at the fan blade and the other one. Now let's place the model on the table. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again in the next video soon. The upcoming unboxing video will be the Malaysia Airlines Airbus A350 registered 9MAC Negaraku livery. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe for more aviation videos. And let's roll it to the front. Hope to see you in the next unboxing video soon. Goodbye.